Here this is the create frame method, which is used to create the secondary display or the console. When we click the console button, this method is called. In here, this runnable method is a user defined method, and it runs after all the existing events are passed. This method is invoked, and this run method is derived from the interface runnable, and actually it overrides the runnable method. It is instantiated, and it is passed to this event queue. And once the thread reaches this anonymous class, which is instantiated here, it will execute this run method, and it will instantiate an object of class JFrame, which displays the secondary display. This JFrame is named here as secondary display. And here the frame properties are there. JFrame dispose on close means it exits when the close button is clicked. The frame exits, but not the whole application. Only that frame, only that display is closed. Here the system look and feel is managed here, that is native to the system, and error is handled here. This print stack trace method, it throws errors. JPanel panel, new JPanel, setting the new panel, and then the layout and setting the layout of the new interface. Then its opaqueness, the properties of the panel are being implemented, has been implemented here. And this is about the scroller. This scroller should be this console text is setting the new text area for the console, and the scroller is implemented here for the console text area. And the console text properties, setting a new text area, that is setting line wrap, is setting a new text area, and set visible, so if it is visible on the system, and set editable to false, so no user can edit the console text area. And scroller dot set vertical scroll bar thing, that is the scroller in the new interface. So you can set the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar as you wish, and the scrollers are added to the panel. And the items it can be added, and the content can be the contents are taken into the frame, and the frame dot set resizable to false. That means the size of the frame is locked, and location can the frame location and the visibility can be set. And then this JText area, this is static JText area console text, because there are two text areas. Therefore, because we have two text areas, and we use one of them in a new window, and also we can set a size for the text area. Here I have taken 30 by 60, and here we add all the buttons, the receipt button, can button, bottle button, crate button, button, paper bags, the random button, console button, and the progress bar. Everything is added on this section, even including the buttons and the progress bars and the text areas has been added actually. And in here here we have here in this JText area, this is the text area for the main interface, and the size is given as 30 by 60, and the font can be set here. The size, the type, and the style of the font is given. And in this J button, write wrong item, it has given a new name as random, but in all the others the name is same. And this is the receipt J button, and the console J button is here. Then we can go to the constructor method. That is the recycling GUI. Actually, from this method, it sets the interface for the main recycling GUI. The size is set as the size is taken as 400 by 100, and the default close operation, exit on close, that is when you click on the close button, it will exit. And here everything is added to the panel, all the buttons, and all the buttons added.